Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have XIAOMI 40 and I want to show you how to remove magnification on this device. Our first step to do that is opening Settings application. In it we look for additional settings selection and there accessibility, where we look for our vision option, and there we have our magnification right there. To turn on it, we must switch on first function, confirm by OK, and we have our shortcut magnification, which position we can easily change by tap and swipe on the screen. To zoom our screen, we press on it, and after that tap on our screen. To change position of our zoom, we must use two fingers and swipe on the screen. To turn off it, we press again on our magnification. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!